Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up, hustlers? It's your main man, Horace, also known as Live Machine. We got another episode of Jump On It. That's the video where we help newbies in particular with actual products that you can sell, because we know the biggest, by far the biggest issue you have as a newbie trying to sell on Amazon using the arbitrage business model. You're saying, man, where can I find products? I'm gated and everything. Check this out. We make sure that you're ungated before we even, that's part of the selection process, to make sure that we're helping you along the way. And of course, as always, we're using the software Tactical Arbitrage, and you can use it even when you're out. As you can see, I'm out here at work right now, but I always have a minute or two for you. So look at, we're in the software, and I want you to look at what we're looking at right here. What are the things that the software is showing me? Number one is showing me where we're sourcing. We're sourcing at Best Buy. Then we're looking, oops, I didn't mean to click that just yet. But then we're looking at what the title is. We're looking at the estimated number of units being sold per month. Let me see if I can zoom this up. Now, this is how much profit you're looking at making. Now, that's not including tax, so don't get crazy, but that's rough. Look at your return on investment would be 37%. Here's the image. It's an actual video game is what you're looking at. Xbox, Minecraft, Hero Edition. Okay, so you got all of that info right in front of you, and we're gonna actually put the ASIN as well as the link to the product on Amazon in the description for you. But the bottom line is this: you're going to spend about $30. Actually, I'm going to show you how to spend a little bit less. The buy box should be sitting around $47.99, and that's what we're going to look at. Don't get too excited. When you're new to this, guys, you just gotta be doing the business. You got to get in where you fit in, and everything will come. Once you get the car in motion, then you can really start worrying about where you're steering the car. Okay, right here, the purpose is to get you moving. So here you can see the product. Here you can see it for $29.99. Here you can see that it is available to ship. All right. And now we're going to come over so that we can look at the product on Amazon. And right away, you can see the buy box is at, what is that? $47.99. Now you can look at some other things. I'm going to show you a screenshot of the Keeper chart on that. I took a screenshot of that earlier for your benefit, so you can see what the averages are on that in terms of price and stuff like that. So yeah, this is all there is to it, guys. It's really not that hard. Oh, and you know what? I almost forgot. You can save an additional 8%. You can get 8% in cash back if you use Be Frugal. We'll put a screenshot of that. Listen, that saves you another $2 off of the purchase. That makes a difference. Okay, that makes a difference. Crunch the numbers and see how your return on investment increases with that. Those are the things that you got to take advantage of, hustlers. All right, let the software do the work for you. Well, at least the software puts the data in front of you. Then you have the work, but your work is simply analysis. And once you develop that skill, hustlers, it's so easy. We do it all the time. That's why you want to subscribe to the channel. This is particular to newbies. If you're new to this, anybody's welcome. Everyone's welcome to the Working Class Hustler family. But if you're a newbie, you're feeling lost, you need something to actually get you in motion. You have to get in motion. subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the bell notification because we're putting out videos 4 times a week. We're doing this jump on it specifically for you to give you leads that are ungated that you can work in. Then we get together on Saturdays and we go live for your benefit to give you leads that are ungated so you can get going. That's what it's all about. If you'd like to learn more about the software, the link is down in the description. You can get a 10-day free trial down in the description. Before you even sign up for the free trial, down in the description, go down in the description and take the lightning course. 10 minutes, you'll know how to use the software. Then go down in the description, take the lightning course part 2, so that once you know how to do the work, then we did the work for you. You got a bulk list that you can upload with the right sites. You got over 900 sites using the software, and that's overwhelming. 900 sites mean nothing when you don't know which sites to go to, which categories to go to. All of that's been done, so you can just click a button, start the search. The exact same search that I used to find this product that I just gave to you is so easy. Why do you think I'm constantly giving you free leads all the time? Because it's so easy. If it was that hard, then I would be trying to guard it and I would be trying to protect. Guys, you got to understand, I'm a hustler. I'm a working class hustler. How do you know it? Because you see it. Where do you see me at right now? You see me in a big tractor trailer. Okay? I am a working class hustler. I do this. Guys, subscribe to the channel and then you'll see the products that I recommend to you. I'm buying them. And then I'll show you when I sell them. So that's what you want to do, guys. Subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in coaching, we open that up just a little bit. So connect with me. Text the words working class hustler to the number on your screen and we can be connected for whatever. I got people, it's not a day that goes by that I don't talk to somebody who's connected because they just have questions. They just want a little bit of help. I'm here for that. But if you want coaching, text me. We can talk about that. If you want to get a leads list that is strictly ungated, it's in beta right now. It's by invite only. Hey, if you're interested, shoot me a text. Get connected with me. We'll see if you're a good fit. Our aim is to over deliver. So with all of that, we'll see you in that lightning course and also the lightning course 2.